Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class already discussed tan x plus y is equals to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y, and also another formula tan x minus y formula. No? So in this chapter, in this video, so let us learn prove that cot x plus y. Next cot x plus y is equals to cot x cot y minus divided by minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Okay, this is the one formula, and as well as proof is there. How to do this one I will tell you. So cot x plus y is equals to this one. Okay, let us take LHS. Okay, LHS is equal to cot x plus y. So cot formula is there now. Cot formula is what? Cos by sin. One formula is there now. Right under cos x plus y divided by sin. So cos x plus y divided by sin x plus y. Formula is there now. Very easy. Cos by sin is cot. Tan andre sin by cos. Formula is there. Substitute the formula. Okay. Write down the formula. Cos x plus y. Cos x plus y I will write here. Cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y. Okay. So minus okay sin x sin y all divided by what is the formula? Tell me. Another formula is there. Sin x plus y plus is minus sin x plus y sin x cos y plus cos x sin. Okay, this is the formula. Cos x sin. Okay, my dear students. Next ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು cos x cos y ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ cos x cos y ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ cot x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ sin x sin y ಡಿವೈಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, sin x sin y ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. sin x sin y. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ n r ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ d r ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ by okay sin x into sin y. Okay, sin x into sin y. Okay na, my dear students, like that you have to learn. Okay na, so ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. So is equals to one second. See, so cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y divided by sin x sin y minus is there, no minus. Next sin x sin y divided by sin x sin y. So whole divided by so this one sin x cos y sin x cos y divided by same sin x sin y minus no plus cos x sin y divided by sin x sin y. Now simplify. This is simplified one. So cos by sin x is cos x by sin x is what? Cot x. So therefore cot x. Cos x by sin x, y is there. So here another cot y minus is there, no minus. Sin x cancel, sin y cancel. So both are cancelled. No, answer is 1. So 1 minus 1. Okay, whole divided by next. So sin x cancel agutta. Sin x cancel agutta. What is the remaining? Cos y sin y. Cos y sin what? Cot y. So cot y plus here also same. Sin cos x by sin y cancel. Cos x by sin x cot x. So this is nothing but the question number 1. So therefore I write here cot x plus y is equals to like that. Cot x plus y is equals to cot x cot y. Cot x plus y is equals to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Okay. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ? ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ sin x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x plus y, cos x minus y, 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಕಾಟ್ಗಾದರೆ sin x sin y ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಗಾದರೆ cos x cos y ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೇಮ್ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ sin x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x plus y, cos x minus y. So both 4 formulas are very important throughout your career, throughout your first PUC, second PUC, engineering. So in physics, wherever you go, so you will find these formulas. That's why formulas are very important. Please learn these formulas, my dear students. Okay. Next, this is the cot x plus y. Same procedure tara cot x minus 1 ide. Okay, how to do this? So cot x minus 1. See. Next question number 13. So prove that so in previous thing, x should not be multiple of pi, y should not be multiple of pi, and as well as x plus y is also not multiple of pi. Here also same. Okay, why? Because multiple of pi cot ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ undefined ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's right. Okay na? So ಅದೇ tan ಗಾದ್ರೆ odd multiple of pi y is. Okay, keep it in your mind. Next question. Cot x minus y is equals to cot x cot y plus ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus cot y minus cot x. Cot y minus cot x. Okay, how to do this one? See. So we already know one formula. See. So we know that the previous formula is not one. So we know that answer. We know that cot x plus y. Same formula. So earlier already told me cot x plus y is equals to cot x cot y minus 1, cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x, cot y plus cot x, cot y plus cot x. Okay na? So like that first you have to write. Next replace y by minus 1. Okay, let's see. Replace y by minus 1. Okay, replace y by minus 1. So minus 5 से replace ಮಾಡೋಣ. Cot x minus y is equals to y plus minus 5 is equals to cot x into cot minus y minus 1. So minus 1. So y plus minus 1. Okay. Next cot minus y plus cot x. Cot of minus y is equal to what? Minus cot y na formula is there. So that's why. So therefore cot x minus y cot x minus y is equals to so cot of minus y minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus so common ಬರುತ್ತೆ so minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ so minus cot x cot y ಬರುತ್ತೆ so minus cot x cot y minus 1 so minus 1 divided by minus ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus cot y plus cot x so plus cot x over next is equals to or minus common thing na minus common error so cot x cot y plus 1 whole divided by cot x cot y plus 1 whole divided by here also minus common thing ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus common ತೆಗೆದಾಗ minus will becomes plus will becomes minus. This is a technique you have to follow. Okay, cot y minus cot x minus cancel minus cancel out. So therefore what is the answer? Cot x minus y is equals to, is it visible? See, cot x minus y is equals to right now. So minus cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus cancel cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. Cot y minus cot x. What the cot y minus cot x. So like that we have to simplify, my dear students. Okay. So this is one of the easiest and important also. Okay. Easy agidala. So cot x plus y is over, cot x minus y is also over. Okay na. So two formulas are very very important for the main examination. Okay. Formulas also very very important. Formula I had to by heart the formulas with technique. Okay. Next 14th one. Next we will move to the 14th one. Next, my dear students, next question number 14. Okay, property number 14. Otherwise, okay. So formulas, properties, proof, both are very very important. Formulas, these formulas. Now, 2x formulas now. Cos 2x, tan 2x, sin 2x formulas are there. Very very important. Okay. Cos 2x. Now first cos 2x first. Cos 2x is equal to total 4 formulas are there. See, one first formula is cos 2x minus sin square x. Cos 2x के 4 formulas very very important. Okay, cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. These are the 4 formulas. Okay, these are very very important for the second PUC also. Okay, throughout differentiation ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ integration ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್? ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. we know that cos x plus y formula is there. No, cos x plus y formula. Cos x plus y. Now tell me what is the formula? Cos x plus y had to learn already taught. Cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, cos x plus y. Okay, now put y is equal to x. Y place over x and substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. So for y is equal to x. So y ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ y, wherever you get y, no, then you have to write x bariye. Okay, cos x plus x already is there, y plus x over next cos x cos y will become what? Cos x minus, okay, minus sin x sin y will become sin x. Okay na. Now simplify it. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos x plus x is what? Cos 2x is equals to cos x into cos x what? Cos square x minus okay, sin x into sin x, sin square x. Over. So first one is over number. Cos 2x equals to cos square x minus sin square x. So first one is over. Okay na? First one is over. Next second one. Okay, second one prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so with the help of this one ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, how to do this one? See, so we know that take this formula. So we know that okay, cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. No, so ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so here cos ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, sin ನ cos ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So one formula is there. What is that formula? Means sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. One formula is there, I'll write here. Sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. One formula is there or not? Tell me. Sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, substitute sin square x here. We'll substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮಾಡಿ. So cos square x minus sin square x 1 minus cos square x. now simplify it again. Cos square x minus 1 minus minus plus cos square x. Okay, cos square x. So ಇದರ ಒಂದು next cos square x plus cos square x 2 cos square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 cos square x minus 1. Understood or not? 2 cos square x minus 1. So second formula over second formula ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ. Okay, 2 cos square x minus 1. So you have to use this. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, I will do that one. See next third one prove ಮಾಡೋಣ. Third one. Okay, how to prove the third one? See. So with the help of the first formula, what is that first formula? Cos 2x. Okay, third one. Third one ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ third one. 1 minus 2 sin square x is equal to. We know that cos 2x. We know that cos 2x is equal to, take the first formula, cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, now third formula is in terms of sin ida nodidira, in terms of sin ida, there is no cos, that's why so cos square x the sin square x convert ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. What is the formula? Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Formula is there now, so ಈ formula ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So therefore cos 2x is equal to cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. What is the answer? 1 minus 2 sin square x are there. 2 times sin square x is there now. So 1 minus 2 sin square x. Third one is very easy. So it's easy again. So next we will move to the fourth one. See next last one. So cos 2x is equals to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So fourth one you have to know how to prove this one. See same idene ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ again you have to consider this formula. We know that fourth one. We know that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. Okay na, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, now divided by 1 ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? Divided by 1. Okay, there is no wrong. Divided by 1 means simplify it. So 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. You can write the formula. What formula is there? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay, and write here sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. One formula is there now. By using this formula, 1 place okay, sin square x plus cos square. Why is writing like this? Means you have to derive the formula. No, that's why. Okay na? So is equal to cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x minus sin square x divided by next ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos square x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವ sin square x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವ cos square x plus sin square x. So like that you have to write first. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ divided by cos square x ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So numerator next numerator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ numerator and denominator and denominator divided by ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ tan ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ cos square x ಮಾಡೋಣ cos square x. ಓಕೆನಾ? how to do this one I will write here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Rub these things. Now you tell me cos square x by cos square x is equals to cos 2x is equals to cos square x by cos square x minus by sin square x by cos square x, sin square x by cos square x whole divided by ಇದು cos square x by cos square x, cos square x by cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x, sin square x by cos square x over next cos square x cancel, cos square x cancel, sin by cos tan over. So therefore cos 2x is equals to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x or very easy procedure there. So this is a procedure you have to follow, okay na. So this is one of the very important question. Cos 2x formulas are double important ಎಲ್ಲ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ಸು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ proofs is very important for first year, formulas also very important for first year, but formulas throughout your first year second year, okay, engineering physics concepts illana ole, so there you are finding. So my dear students, so don't leave this one. So these are the four formulas. Another time I will say cos 2x is equals to, what is the first formula? Cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 sin square x is equals to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Already proved 4 formulas. Okay. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means comment below this video. Otherwise in WhatsApp you can send the message. Thank you.